I often wonder, why do I grow flowers? I have come to no other conclusion but this. I am in love with flowers. In love with the sweet shapes of Gina phlox and the velvet texture of lilies. In love with feeling like I'm rooted in something ancient and powerful. I grow flowers because I am spellbound with no desire to be unenchanted. Every garden is singing a song. Can you hear it? No, I cannot recommend flower gardening for the sober-minded, but if, like me, you suspect that heaven lies just beyond the veil of this everyday world, well, to you I say, welcome to the garden.